part 16 of chapter 4. There is a tradition that Jalal one day called his son, Sultan Velid, gave him a large sum of money, and bade him go with a suit of the disciples to Damascus and request Shems to return to Konya. Jalal told his son that he would find Shems in a certain inn playing at backgammon with a young Ferengi European Frank. Also, one of God's saints, Sultan Velid went and found Shems exactly so occupied and brought him back to Konya, the Ferengi youth returning to his own country, there to preach Jalal's doctrines as his vicar. Sultan Velid walked the whole way from Damascus to Konya at the stirrup side of Shems, as a groom walks by the side of the prince's charger. The whole city went forth to receive them. Jalal and Shems embraced each other. Jalal became more than ever devoted to his friend, and his disciples resented his neglect of them, as they had done before. Not long afterwards, the glorious event occurred that terminated the life of Shamsuddin. And so the previously we've heard about the 6-month retreat. Well, so there was a couple other that joined, so they could have fulfilled their obligations for the Friday prayer or the holiday prayer or something like that through that. So let's not suppose that they were leaving out the basics of Islamic practice or something like that.